Hello friends, good evening. This is Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram AS and I'm here to discuss about what the delay in NEET PG exam announcement can mean to you, what you can do in the meanwhile. And this is Dr. Meenakshi Sundaram AS and I have an experience of 11 years in teaching people who are preparing for entrance exams and also for students of MBBS, MD, MS, MCH and DM. And these are all my achievements on the side. And this is about the Plus subscription from Unacademy. Please remember, Unacademy is offering a lot of free classes and there are some plus classes where you can subscribe to for having daily live classes, structured courses, live tests, quizzes and unlimited access to all your requirements. And there is something called as Iconic subscription where you can get the best of Unacademy's live classes and the recorded videos of Prep Ladder, where again you can have access to live class and batch courses, video lectures and unlimited question banks, and live tests and quizzes and rapid revision courses. Also remember, for you to get this Iconic subscription or Plus subscription, you can use the code Dr. ASM or Dr. ASM YT. I repeat, DRASM or DRASM -YT. And you have some free classes coming up from that of Unacademy, and there are 5 free live tests also. At 8 p.m. every day, you can take 20 questions quiz if you're targeting for NEET PG 2021. If your target is 2022, then the class test is at 9 p.m. All of them are absolutely free. This is not just for subscribers, it is for everybody. Everybody can take free live tests at 8 p.m. or 9 p.m. depending upon what your target is. And there are many free live classes coming up on Saturday and Sunday. I'll be having FMGA MCQ sessions where the information will be posted on my Telegram channel. And how do you come across this particular group? You can download Unacademy here by searching on the Play Store or on the iStore, and then you can open it, go for Plus course under NEET PG, and then look for subscription. You can get the subscription by getting for Plus or Iconic, and you can use my code, referral code, and for my referral code you'll get 10% off and special access to all my live classes. And if you want to know about my free classes, you can actually contact me through any of these channels. You can connect me with Unacademy using this, or you can join my Telegram group and channel here, or you can connect me with Instagram. Now let us come to a topic. What exactly can you do right now because the NEET PG has been postponed? You do not have any control on what the National Medical Commission can take a step on. But remember one thing. From the recently concluded INICT exam, it is clear that many questions have been repeated from the past question papers. Don't actually jump into a conclusion. Not all the repeats came from NEET PG exam or from AIIMS exam or from JIPMER exam. It all came from a combination of question papers. If you go back and look at the past 7 years of question papers from all the NEET exams and all the double JIPMER exams, double PG Chandigarh exams and double AIIMS exams in a year, you will be able to answer 90% and above of questions from at least microbiology and biochemistry. Because I teach biochemistry and microbiology, I can very safely tell you that most of the questions were repeat. There was only one question, for example, what was the protein in case of HPV vaccine? It was L1 capsid protein. This is a new information. But remember, even if you can't answer some new questions, you don't have to lose heart. Please prepare for the old past question papers. And there are many sessions coming up on Unacademy for past question paper exams, and I'll be doing it. I have done it in the past. I'll be doing it here. What is the most important advice I can give you? Please go through MCQs. Attend as many amount of MCQ sessions as possible. The more the MCQ sessions you attend, the more the confidence you gain in your exams. Why? Because when you try to touch the question in your question paper in the exam hall, if you don't have enough amount of experience, then every question can be scary for you. But when you attend as many tests as possible and as many MCQ sessions as possible, touching a question will be just a casual activity. The more casual you are and the more confidence you gain, you will be able to choose the right answer more often than not. Here, I repeat, go through all the repeat MCQs and please work around that particular topic, because repeat MCQs are taken for 2 reasons. One, the repeat MCQs are happening from high yield areas. Those high yield areas are must know areas for any medical student, and if you don't know that area, maybe you cannot be a good student is what they believe. For that reason, they keep on taking questions from this area. Reason number 2, in the COVID era, the workforce may be very less. When the workforce is less, you can't actually mobilize a lot of resources to generate more and more new questions. So that is the trick right now. In the next NEET exam, upcoming exam, you may have questions from COVID area, but not many questions can be absolutely fresh. So if you can repeat as many questions as possible and revise them, you will be in the race. Please remember, just because you know all the repeat questions, it doesn't mean you'll win the race. But if you do not know any of the repeat questions, there is a very good chance that you can get out of the race. Do not be in that position. If you're my student, wherever you are, I wish the best for you, because if you keep on tracking all the repeat questions, and please read around the topics of repeat questions, that is called as high yield area reading. And when you read all the areas of the subject that have been taken the questions from, you will be having a very good chance of cracking your NEET exam. And wishing that, please visit all my free classes. I'll do my best to help you. We all are here to help you crack NEET PG exam. Let's crack it. All the very best, people. Have a good day.